The time is now and we have to do it all together and the people shall win.
If not now, when? If not me and you, who?
That's the mantra political science student Devendra Pai believes in. He's come all the way from Pune to voice his support for the man he believes has inspired thousands across the country to fight corruption.
Now, bill कब law बनेगा उसके लिए बहुत समय है. But just imagine this 73-year-old man. I don't think he's going to be there 20 years down the line. What is he doing this for? Who is he doing this for? He's doing it for us. He's doing it for the youth.
Retired Army officer Colonel Arjun Bahadur too has borne the cost of flying down from Bangalore. He's willing to sweat it out on the capital streets if it helps bring about a social and political change.
Heat and sun is absolutely of no meaning. This is all physical. We have to have the strength in our mind.
Anna Hazare's campaign to fight corruption has inspired people across all age groups. Ranchi Suresh's wife was too ill to travel, but she made him promise to take their children along to support Anna in his cause.
यहाँ सिर्फ तो बुजुर्ग लोग आए, पर हमारे जैसे बच्चे भी आने चाहिए. अगर नौजवान भी यहाँ आने चाहिए, अन्ना हजारे समर्थन करने के लिए.
एक आदमी जान देने के लिए उसको तैयार है. अगर गवर्नमेंट इसका अगर जल्दी से जल्दी फैसला नहीं देगा तो पूरा हिंदुस्तान में आंदोलन होगा.
With not just the regular activists but civil society too joining in, Anna Hazare's protest against corruption is fast gaining momentum. But the question is whether this will succeed in putting pressure on pushing the bill which has been pending for more than 40 years. With Amit Palgil in New Delhi, I'm Smriti Advani.